friends, I'm Melanie from MelanieCooks.com, and today I'll be making canned crescent rolls in the air fryer. So we need a package of refrigerator canned crescent rolls and a non-stick cooking spray so they don't stick to the air fryer. So now let's take out the air fryer basket and we'll spray the bottom with a non-stick cooking spray. As an alternative to spray, you can also brush the bottom of the basket with vegetable oil. And now I will open a can of crescent rolls. So now I will separate and roll them and put in the air fryer. So roll them and put in the air fryer basket. So you can only make as many as fit in the air fryer basket in a single layer. So they actually all fit in the air fryer. So now I will put the basket in the air fryer and I will set the temperature to 330 degrees Fahrenheit and I will set the time to 10 minutes. Now the air fryer is done cooking, so let's take a look. Look at these amazing crescent rolls. They look so good. So puffy and golden brown. Looks so delicious. Now as they cook and rise, they may get stuck together. If that's the case, just separate them with your hands or you can separate them with a knife. So I'm going to remove them now from the air fryer onto a plate. Perfect. See how easy it was to cook canned crescent rolls in the air fryer? I'm so excited about trying them. They look so good, so soft. Perfectly cooked inside, the tender dough, perfectly cooked. And golden brown on the outside. This looks amazing. I'm so excited about trying it. So tender and flaky. You're going to love making this canned crescent rolls in the air fryer. They taste so good and so easy to make. For a free printable recipe and other easy air fryer recipes, please visit my website, MelanieCooks.com. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Melanie Cooks. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy!